In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change template on Wix. It's important to know right from the start that Wix does not let you directly switch a new template onto an existing published website while keeping everything exactly as it is. If you want to use a different template, the proper way to do it is to create a brand new site and then manually move your content over. That means your text, images, pages, and design elements need to be transferred into the new template. To begin, go to your Wix dashboard and click the Create New Site button in the top right corner. After that, choose the Wix Editor option if you see any prompts that try to guide you into building the site automatically. You can skip those so you can continue into the regular site setup process. Once the new site is created, you will be taken to the new site dashboard. From there, click on Design. This will take you into the Templates section, where you will be able to choose the visual style for your new website. Make sure you select Pick a Template instead of starting with a blank canvas or using the AI generator. This is the key part if your goal is to move to a different pre-made template. Now take some time to browse through the available categories and preview your options carefully. It's worth looking at how each template is structured, especially the home page, navigation style, and inner pages. So you choose one that fits your content well. When you find a template you like, click Edit to open it in the Wix editor. Next, open both your old website editor and your new website editor in separate browser tabs. This makes the migration process much easier because you can move back and forth between them as you rebuild the site. You can copy and paste text, pages, and layout sections directly from the old site into the new one. As you do this, pay close attention to spacing and formatting, since some elements may look slightly different in the new template. For media files like images or videos, upload them again into the new site's media library, so everything is properly connected. Once your main content is in place, reconnect any specific apps your old site used, such as bookings, online store features, or your blog. You will also want to check that the new template's colors and fonts match your brand so the finished site feels consistent and professional. Take your time with this process, because a careful rebuild usually leads to a much better final result. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.